Welcome to Python Full Stack demo part number 3, guys. In this demo, we will try to understand what things we are going to learn to become a Python Full Stack developer in this course. So let's understand for front-end part. Yes, to become a full stack developer, we have to learn a front-end part, back-end part, and database part, because these are the three parts which we use to create a full stack application. And a developer who is a full stack developer knows all the three parts. You might see out there some of the developers who are calling themselves I'm a front end developer or a back end developer or a database developer. So those developers, they know that particular part of the full stack application, but a full stack developer is a developer who knows all the three parts. Like in front end, for visualization of the data, we need to learn HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. After that, we have to learn JavaScript. And one of the famous framework of a front end, that is Angular or React.js. You can choose either one, Angular or React.js. So it is up to you to choose any one front-end framework. But for everyone, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript programming language, it's same. For backend part of the application, you have to learn Python core and advanced. If you learn Python core part and advanced, then we will start learning one of the framework, very famous framework of backend Python is Django. So we will start learning Django. Django is also MVT. Same like MVC, Model View Controller. We do refer Django as MVT, means Model View Template Framework. And next one is a Flask. Flask is a lightweight, but it predominantly used in IT for lightweight applications. So we will be learning Django and Flask, both the frameworks of backend. Right now, you might be having a question, what is this framework? Framework is nothing but it has a package. It is with the package. It is with the pre-built lot of code, pre-built functionalities, where there is a security, where there is a readability of the code, where you can achieve a proper structure of an application that comes with any framework, guys. So frameworks are there to make your application writing easy and headache free. Second, database. We are going to learn about databases. In this world, there are two types of databases we do have. First one is structured database and non-structured databases. So for structured databases, one of the famous SQL, MS SQL Server database we are going to use. And for non-structured databases, we are going to use MongoDB. So you will be learning both the type of databases, two frameworks with Python core and advanced, and here either one, Angular or React.js. You have to choose with JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. This is what the whole, you can say, the course content of the Python full stack development. But here we do understand students come from technical, non-technical, IT, non-IT background, and they might struggle to understand initially related to this IT things, IT stuff. They might not get it. So initial period, we will be giving them foundational knowledge of computer science. What? Foundation knowledge of computer science. In that, we will be teaching you computer science basics, networking basics. Okay. Then what different kind of you can say systems, virtualization, containerization, systems, operating system, and lot many other things, like how do we create applications in IT in real time. Okay, different environments, testing environment, pre-production environment, production environment, and introduction to software development life cycle also will be covered in this. And at the end of this course, you can opt if you want to learn a data structure. So you can learn a data structure also, but that is not calculated or counted in Python full stack. This course we do offer specially. So data structure also it is there. So some students, they need data structures who are hitting for big companies. So we do provide data structure also. Some people, some students, and some companies also requirement is this, that Python full stack with any cloud. So we will be teaching here AWS as a cloud companion. So this AWS is the famous one, the first one, and it has the highest market stake. So you can choose Python full stack with data structure or Python full stack with AWS. It's up to you. Or you can choose the simple Python full stack. Okay, plain Python full stack. Thank you guys for being with me. And here is a simple roadmap I have provided. Please go through it at end. So it will give you the chronology of the course content. First, we will be hitting with the Python core, second SQL, then Python advanced, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, then Django, Flask, MongoDB, and the project. End of the course, we will be creating full stack project which you can put into your CV also for representing your what whole knowledge related to Python full stack. Thank you so much for joining this session. I hope this session and the previous sessions are helpful to understand the whole full stack journey. Thank you guys. Bye bye.